everyone, how's it going? Today I have my BoxyLux, and here is the big old box. As y'all know, whenever we do get the BoxyLux, the box is way, bigger. And this time around I did get it a little bit earlier, so I was like, okay, let me just sit down. You know that I don't usually film during the day because I have my daughter, but she is watching Frozen, so let's hope she kind of gets distracted for a little bit. If not, it's gonna take me forever to film this video because I'm gonna have to be stopping. But anyways, let's hope this new little location where I placed y'all in my vanity works out this time, because I'm always making myself look like a damn potato. Like, if there's something that I find so difficult, I think my makeup is good, but it's just like I have so much difficulty with the angles. Like, I always make myself look crazy. So well, let's see how this works, because I'm like, I wish they could see me in person. I don't look that crazy, but well, enough talking and let's get started with this unboxing. So let's see what all we got. I already took a look, and I mean, some things I like, some things I was like, eh. I mean, I did take a look online. First of all, the thing that I hate, which I don't know why they keep sending me these, they sent me this, which is a Too Faced matte metallic liquid lipstick in the shade Sugar Kisses. It's not for me. I don't really like metallic lipsticks, any type of metallic stuff. I'm not into it. I know some people are, but it's just not my thing. But I don't know why, but they keep sending me like metallic stuff. I don't know if there's a way that I can change that. I know like they let you change like I think the tones that you're wanting to get. I don't know. But anyways, another thing that I received is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil. And this one I believe I chose this one, if I'm not mistaken. This was one of the choices that I picked. Let me take it out of the box. And this is what the little oil looks like. And I chose this because I knew I needed this, like especially for this winter. That's like, my skin goes through the gigs during the winter. Like lately I started getting dry patches and it's just a mess. So yeah, good thing I got this. And then I did also get the Dagger Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. I've tried many of their liners. Oh, she's coming. I've tried many of their liners and I do like them. So here's like the packaging on that, as you see. Okay, so I guess the difference is, so it's more of a like a brush. I don't know if you can see, but it's like more of a brush. Please excuse my nails, I haven't gotten them done. I'm trying to wait like till it gets closer to like the holidays. But yeah, like it's a different little point on the brush. But yeah, there's that. So this is gonna come in good use because I know one of them, I have two. I know one of them's running out, so I usually use them for Halloween. And then the next thing that I got is this Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. Here's that. This I was hoping to get. So this is in Marbled Light. Let me open this. And this is what it looks like. I really like the color. I was really hoping to get this instead of like the I think the other one was like a highlighter. I wanted this, so good thing I got it. And then I also got this QMS, which was this was another choice that I decided to get. It's QMS Medic Cosmetics Lip Liner Corrector Lip Serum. And it's just basically to help with the fine lines of, whoa, I'm over here dropping stuff. To help with the fine lines of like the area around your lips. And yeah, let's see how this works. And then another thing that I received is the Power Up Dual Face Setting Mist. So it says it helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. Filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. Which, like, it kind of looks weird. So let's hope it doesn't mess up my makeup whenever I decide to use it. Because I don't know if I don't think you can see, but It looks like there's like oil in it or something. I don't know if you can see, but it looks like it's like oily for some reason. Like, I know it says like to shake before you use because of the ingredients that it has, but you know, I don't know, I've never seen anything like this. Maybe it's the aloe, how do y'all say that? Aloe, I don't know, in it, maybe, I don't know, but I'm looking forward to use this. Oh my gosh, you just spilled all my brushes. Okay, anyways, I don't know if y'all follow me on Facebook or on Instagram. I uploaded a picture on Saturday. She decided to grab my Wet n Wild palette that I had yet to use, and she decided to take a brush and, you know, try it out herself first. But yeah, oh well. Okay, next we have this fresh soy face cleanser for all skin types, and it says it gently cleanses face and eyes. So there's that. I need this because like I do have, I think it's the Dr. Branded, or I don't know what it is, but it's like the white with the green letters that we received a while back. I'm almost out of that. So I'm glad that they did send this one over. Ooh, the lighting. So yeah, I'm glad that they sent this one over because I'm almost done with the other one. And the other one I really like, and I've heard great things about this one too, so I'm glad I received that. This is something weird, like I don't even think I'll use this. It says the ritual of Sakura, and then it says sensational foaming shower gel, organic rice milk, and cherry blossom. So I guess it's just some foaming shower gel. That's what that looks like. And I'm glad that it's like a, you know, a larger size, so hopefully it lasts long. I guess maybe I will use it just to, you know, I don't know. And lastly, the palettes. I really like the way this looks. It's so different from anything that I have, like the packaging. I don't know, like it's really cute. And it does come with a mirror, as y'all see here. And then here are the colors, which y'all have already probably seen on their Instagram. There's that. So I'm going to be using most of the items here. Obviously I can't use like the shower gel or the, I'm not going to use this either. But some of these other products, this I'm not going to use. I don't even want it, to be honest. But I will try to use like the blush, this here, the palette obviously. And this I won't use just because I still have another one, which I want to use up first. Then I'll start using that because I don't want it to, like, you know, dry up on me or anything like that. And then I'll also be going in with this oil. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using today. So if you want to see the look that I come up with, then stay tuned. I was looking at the little price and I didn't notice. I don't know if it's a typo or what, but supposedly this is worth $200. Like, what? That's crazy. So as you see, I did my brows like always because I always take so damn long. So like, I'm not even gonna try to do it on camera because then we'll be here forever. But I did use the brow cream from ELF Cosmetics, and I'm gonna start off with using the Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil. So let's use that. Let's see how well it feels on my dry skin, because like I mentioned, my skin right now is a hot mess. So yeah, let's see how that feels on the skin. Let's see if it's, oh, it smells really good. Let's see if it's worth the $79, which, I mean, obviously I won't be able to tell right away, but I mean, there's certain oils that just don't work for like dry skin because it's not really like, I like oil, like oils that actually feel oily and not like disappear on the skin. That's what I like. Oh my gosh, it went into my brow. Damn, this is about, it's about to make my brow disappear. Well, I mean, I have brows, but like, it's gonna probably like dissolve the brow cream. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me try to wipe it off a little bit. Okay, so as y'all saw, just be careful when you're adding this to your forehead, because I had to, like, you know, wipe it and it like came all off. So yeah, just be careful with that. And then, but it does really, it feels really good on my skin, and of course, like I said, it smells really good as well. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with the QMS Lip Line Corrector. And like, it doesn't really give you instructions, but I guess you just like put it all over your lips. Oh, so it just goes like this. Wait, what the heck? Okay, there we go. So I guess a lot comes out. I don't really think you need all that, but oh, it feels weird. It feels like if it were water or something. Like it's a really thin. I'm gonna have to see how you put this, because like I don't know if I put this on wrong. So the first shade that I took was the shade Spindle with the Luxie 205 tapered blending brush, and I did about 3 layers of this. And then after that I went in with, I believe the name is Grimm, which is a burgundy color, with this BH Cosmetics No. 7 brush. And I was just going to be, you know, packing it on and then blending it out. But to get the intensity that I wanted, I noticed that it was going to take forever. So I just went ahead and took that BH Cosmetics brush again. And since that one helped me pack, you know, the color on better, I just went ahead and did that. So as you see here, the light changed. And this is exactly what like it looked in person. Like the colors looked like in person. Because I was noticing that the lighting did wash it out a bit. So I'm just going in, packing in, you know, blending it out. And then right here, I just went ahead and grabbed more of the spindle to further blend it out on the top. In here, I'm just going to, you know, cut half of the crease with the shape tape, the Tarte shape tape. So that's what I'm just doing right here. And I'm just going to be taking this Luxie concealer brush to add the color on there. I didn't set the lids or anything, so I'm just going to be taking that. That shade that I'm using is Prince from the palette, and it's just a blue, like a royal blue shade. And I did pack it on, you know, until I got the intensity that I wanted as well. And at first I was going to add that like all on the lid, but I decided to do more of an ombre. So here you see me cleaning that brush and going in with the shade Castle, which is a lighter blue shade. And I'm going to be putting it next to that color. And then I'm not worrying so much about the blending just yet. I'm just worried about packing on the colors. Here I just kind of went in with my finger just to like blend it out a bit. And then I added more of that darker blue, the Prince shade, just because I did lose a bit of the intensity on that. And that shade is the shade Fairies, which is a silver. And that's just the final shade that's going to be going on my lid. And then I'm going to go back in with Grimm to deepen up the corners of the eyes. And to help me blend it in with that Prince shade, which is the darker blue. I am done with the eyes, and now what I'm going to be doing is adding liner just to the lid area and then some lashes, and I'll be back once I need to add the blush. So yeah, let me do the face routine and then I'll be back. Okay, so at this point I couldn't talk anymore because my daughter was making so much noise. She was like screaming and stuff, not because she needed me, but my son decided to put the Let It Go song, the Frozen song. And well, you know, she was excited and I wasn't trying to get copyrighted. So I was like, let me just not talk anymore. So here I'm just adding the Ciate London Marbled Light Blush in Dusk, which I really, really liked. It was like very smooth on the skin and it was pigmented as you see here. And then I just took the Luxie 502 large powder brush, which I really like. It's so soft on the skin to blend everything out. And finally, I added the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder with this Beaky brush, which is inexpensive. And I really enjoy these brushes, actually. And now I'm going to be doing the lower lash line. And I'm just going to be adding basically the same colors that I added up top, just not the blues. So first I went in with Spindle, and then I deepened up the outer corners with Grimm. And then also by this point, because my daughter kept coming in and out of the room, and oh my gosh, when I finished filming, it literally looked like a tornado passed by. But I was just so concentrated in the video, like I didn't notice what she was doing. I mean, I could hear, like if she was crying or something, I would have turned around and like, you know, helped her out. But Yeah, she left like a disaster. She took out all my lashes, makeup that I had in a box that I was going to do a haul on. And everything was on the ground, including my brushes that she dropped in the beginning. So there I'm just taking that silver shade again in Fairies to do to add on my inner corner, which you see here. It is really like brightening. I didn't add any setting spray here. That's just like how it looks, the intensity of it. And then here I'm just going to be adding that highlighter to my brow bone. Oh, and I forgot to mention the, what is it, the setting spray. It felt really cooling on the face, and I didn't see it, you know, because I did mention that it looked like it had oil in it. It didn't melt my makeup, which was very good. But yeah, I'm going to keep using it because it actually, like, it smells nice as well. I am now going to be taking the mascara. It's Scandalized Wow Wings mascara from Rimmel London, which it is my favorite mascara for my lower lashes, just because it makes them really long, and that helps like my eyes seem, I guess, more wide open. But I will be needing to get a new one soon because I'm almost out, and it's also like, you know, drying up. But yeah, so for the lips, I'm going to be taking this liquid lipstick from YLLashes Cosmetics in the shade Sofia. And it's like a peachy nude shade. That's the color that I always tend to go for when I'm like doing blue looks, like any peachy toned lip. And these are some of my favorite liquid lipsticks, to be honest, just because they are long lasting. You are able to add a second layer without them getting crumbly. And then also the application process is easy because it doesn't dry up super fast, so you have time to apply it. But yeah, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what product was your favorite from this month's boxycharm, or what you would have wished you would have gotten this month.